Catcher. Dream catcher hanging above my bed, woven in love as woven by hand. Good dreams and clear come to me this night. Descend through the feathers and into my mind. The night air is filled with good dreams and bad. The bad dreams stilled get caught in the web, perish with the new day when they lose their way. In the dream catcher lies the gateway, the portal. It is the good dream matcher, the circle where the mortal awakens by night and sleeps by day. Great Spirit will light the way. Within mother's womb is the portal to birth. She gives life to sons whose lives honor her. With soul lives of seeing, her fertility is boundless in untold trillions of beings. Universe is the womb for the birth of our world, with dancing fireflies for seeing, her fertility is boundless. In trillions of earths, endlessly speeding, worlds and lives endlessly whirling around the great circle and center of the eternal life giver. Dream catcher hanging above my bed, woven in love as woven by hand. Good dreams and clear come to me this night. Descend through the feathers and into my mind.